his head. Sige, upo ka. You'll ask the patient to reach his head. Tapos sabihin mo, don't let me, sir, I will resist your motion. Parang ganun. Okay? Sige. Sige, reach your head. Yan. Tapos, yung biceps niya.
Wow.
Okay, nakikita mo yung biceps niya. But after, okay, go. Okay, tapos, una mong mapapalpate will be the biceps. Then, move proximally. Then, move near the axilla. Sige, go. Tayo. Hindi ko kasi siya mariresist sa tangkad niya eh. Sige, go. O, diba? Hindi ko mariresist. Adjust na lang kayo, yung mga di makakita. Sige, go. Yan. Tapos, una mo papalpate biceps. Tapos, palpate mo yung biceps hanggang di mo na maramdaman yung umbok. Then, go medially and proximally near the axilla. Tapos, yung umbok na mararamdaman mo doon, that is your coracobrachialis. Okay? Siya lang yung umbok na mararamdaman mo doon. Okay? Dalawang lubog, tapos siya na yun. That's your coracobrachialis. Hindi ata siya lang.
Ako may resist. Ay, ako kagad.
Hindi siya lumalabas na hindi resistant. Guys, the forearm.
Dapat kasi maganda na ito.
Ay, hindi naman yun.
Sa may axilla.
Kung asin naman, may dam mo.
I-resist mo yun.
Guys, listen. Hayaan nyo munang i-reach niya yung head, then you resist. Kasi kailangan more than 90 degrees of abduction yung mangyayari for your coracobrachialis to be palpated.
May jacket ka kasi. Oh my God! Memory full. Ma'am, yung pectoralis major po, wala pa po.
Ito next.
Okay po. Hindi, ako nalagpasan niya po. Kita niya like, kala ko.
Na-excite siya. Sorry na, Luis.
Sorry, ma'am.
For your pectoralis major naman, if you want to palpate the whole muscle, Papa Reserve, please raise your arm sidewards at a 90-degree angle. Then, move your hand towards the midline. Don't let me... Tapos, dito, di ba kanina yung pinapalpate natin is yung posterior axillary fold for your latissimus dorsi. For your pectoralis major, anterior axillary fold naman. Okay? Sige, go. Tapos, itong anterior axillary fold, that's your whole pectoral muscles. But, if you want to palpate per fiber, ang gagawin mo, ipa-place mo na si patient in a horizontally adducted position. Tapos, in a T position first for your sternocostal fiber. Okay? Sir, please resist my motion. Okay? Tapos, yung mapapalpate mo dito sa pectoral, be sure na pectoral region, ang mapapalpate in this area. Mas contract yung ditong area, yung pababa na area in this position. Okay? If you want to palpate yung clavicular fibers, you put the arm in a V position. V. Kapag dalawa kasi V siya. Okay? Tapos, sabi mo lang, sir, please resist my motion. Then, you palpate again sa pectoral region, ang mas nagko-contract will be yung horizontal fibers towards your clavicle. Okay? Pag T position, mas nagko-contract yung oblique fibers papunta sa ribs and sternum. Then, pag V position, mas nagko-contract yung fibers sa clavicle, papuntang clavicle. Try nyo. Pero ngayon,